Good evening once again, and thanks very much for joining us for yet another local weather briefing for the entire central Queensland area. Where has it rained? Not a lot. Those moderate to heavy falls, the possibility of, certainly didn't eventuate over northern Capricornia. The best there was Carfax. Where's Carfax? That's on the Isaac River, of course, and Pink Lagoon. That's not Pink Lily, of course. Pink Lily is on the Connors River, and you all know that the Connors River runs into the Isaac River, which eventually flows into the Fitzroy. But Gladstone Airport came in with 5. North Rockhampton, we're going to gauge out the back of Wind Television here, yeah? 5 millimetres we had. The Glen 2, St Lawrence 2, South Yamba. Yep, you did get some rain, but our little newsroom girl forgot to put the figure in. I think it was 2 millimetres. Okay, good on you, Corinne. Let's have a look at temperatures around the region. Yeppoon 23 to 30, Emerald 20 to 33, Springsure 17 to 32. You better get used to it because those temperatures are going to rise, particularly for the coming weekend. Blackwater 19 to 33, Ralston 18 to 33, the state extremes 40 at Balera Gas, and 13 was the coolest at Applethorpe. Currently in Rockhampton, the temperature, bingo, 26 degrees, and the wind 120 degrees at 20 kilometres an hour. What a difference a day makes. The upper level trough has now moved off the local area, still intersects the coast around about the Cairns area, so there's a fair concentration of showers in that area, but locally here it's mostly fine. There may be the odd shower or two, an emphasis on the odd. And down here, a little bit of a surge of southeasterlies coming through the Tweed River, southern Gold Coast at 4 o'clock. On the national picture, this will be the focus of attention off the WA coast, the Kimberley coast, with a deepening tropical low anticipated there over the following 4 to 5 days. But otherwise, the monsoon trough and our longitudes are relatively benign and quiet. Right, on to the chart. Basically, the upper level trough has deepened that trough well off the coast, as we've been talking about all week. That will not affect the local area. It's freshened the local winds, so consequently a strong wind warning is current, but conditions will improve dramatically for the coming weekend, with seas and winds moderating significantly. In the short term, isolated showers at best through coastal Capricornia. For Capricornia itself, isolated showers near the coast, fine further inland, mostly moderate south to southeast winds, fresh near the coast, and for Saturday 1 or 2 showers along the coast during the morning. Central Highlands and Coalfields fine, light to moderate east to southeast winds. Saturday fine, Sunday fine and hot. Maritime opposite 3 o'clock, Heron Island southeast at 23 knots, much the same at Rundle and Lady Elliot. Next we go on to the coastal waters forecast. A strong wind warning is current, southeast 20 to 30 knots, decreasing tomorrow evening to 20 to 25. Tidal information follows, and sun up tomorrow morning 5:53. Enjoy your evening. Back to you, Paul.
It's hard to find good staff, isn't it, Pete? Thank you for that. Finally, a program to teach the younger generation about rail safety. Reached a major milestone in Rockhampton today. For over a decade, Queensland Rail's been travelling the state, educating students about safety and accident prevention around railways.
And we believe that it's a vital message, teaching children to be aware, to stay alert and to be rail smart, and to always be looking out at level crossings, to be aware of flashing lights and of trains.
Today, Queensland Rail's program reached its 1 millionth student at Mount Archer State School. To commemorate the achievement, Year 6 student Ben Jenkins received a certificate and a new Nintendo gaming system. Lucky him.
Better than the old ribbon I used to get.
I never got a ribbon. windtv.com.au is where you find our headlines. Good night.
Good night.
All of them.
This has been a Win News presentation from Win Television, Australia's largest commercial television network.